Hey all, welcome to ShareTrek. This is Raj here. Today I want to talk to you about CRISPR Therapeutics and their latest update around CTX110 therapy. Let's get started. Welcome back, friends. CRISPR Therapeutics has a very broad pipeline, as I've mentioned many times before. One segment of their pipeline is immuno-oncology. In immuno-oncology, CRISPR has 8 therapies, of which 2 are in clinical trials. These are CTX110 and CTX130. The other segments of their pipeline consists of 4 hemoglobinopathies, including 2 for sickle cell disease that are in the clinical trial stage. Then there are 3 therapies in the regenerative medicine segment with VCTX120 for type 1 diabetes in clinical trial. Finally, there is the in vivo segment with 7 therapies. This is why I'm so impressed with CRISPR Therapeutics, because they have raised money, they've got the pipeline which is broad, and also they got plenty of candidates in clinical trials. Last time I counted, there were at least 5 candidates in clinical trial. To me, this company seems to be like a large cargo plane slowly lumbering on the runway, picking up speed. Once it takes off, it will be delivering huge returns. That's my personal opinion. Now, before I forget what this video is all about, let's get started talking about CTX110 and the latest news that we have. CTX110 is a CRISPR-Cas9 edited CAR T cell therapy targeting CD19 plus malignancies and is an allogenic therapy. CRISPR wholly owns this therapy, so success means there'll be no revenue sharing. The latest news is an update on their ongoing phase 1 carbon trial for CTX110 at the 64th American Society of Hematology annual meeting. This happened just recently. This news came out yesterday, but yesterday would be 12th, and still the market has not responded to it. So I'm wondering what is happening out there. Let's continue further. In part A of the trial, patients were infused with a single dose of CTX110 following 3 days of a standard lymphodepletion regimen consisting of, I think it was fludarabine, which was given to them for lymphodepletion, and it was accompanied with the cyclophosphamide. And the patients received CTX110 at doses ranging from dose level 1, which contained 30 million CAR T cells, to dose level 4, which contained 600 million CAR T plus cells, with an option to redose the CTX110 based on clinical benefit. The data from this particular trial confirmed that CTX110 can lead to long-term durable complete remissions, which is called as CRs for short, for heavily pretreated large B-cell lymphoma cases. As I've always told you before, phase 1 is always with difficult patients who have gone through multiple lines of treatment, and the objective is to make sure that there is safety established in the therapy before they start looking at efficacy. Now, in this particular phase A, we have been told that 3 patients remained in complete remission 2 years after treatment, and 2 additional patients in complete remission past 1 year. So these are really good results in my opinion. I don't have the total number of patients in the trial at this moment, but this is the good result because of which FDA granted CTX110 an RMAT designation in November 2021. So I assume that the patient population and the result have been very encouraging. Otherwise, FDA wouldn't have given RMAT. In part B of the trial, patients received CTX110 at dosage level 4 following standard lymphodepletion, same like they had done on phase A, as well as a consolidation dose of CTX110 at the same dose level between 4 and 8 weeks after the initial dose for patients that demonstrate clinical benefit. The primary endpoints include safety as measured by incidence of dose-limiting toxicities and overall response rate, which is also called ORR. Key secondary endpoints include complete response, which we spoke about, CR, duration of response, that is DOR, and overall survival, that is OS. Part B data confirmed safety consolidation data in line with what was demonstrated in Part A. Following discussions with regulatory agencies, the company has initiated a single-arm, potentially registrational trial of CTX110, which incorporates consolidation dosing at dosage level 4 and standard lymphodepletion. Dosing in this trial is expected to begin in early 2023 using drug product manufactured with a commercial-ready process and specifications. Friends, I don't expect anything to go wrong with this particular trial because it's already been done in phase A and phase B. So it should go well. And what is significant is that the dosage is being done by using drug product manufactured with a commercial ready process and specifications. So once they get the approval, they're off to the bank. So in terms of conclusions, I think this news reaffirms my conviction that CRISPR Therapeutics is a leader in the pack of genomic companies. They have good cash balance, broad pipeline with multiple segments, and on top of that, they have great partnerships. It seems CTX110 will hit a home run in 2023. That is good news for the investors. CRISPR Therapeutics has fallen from lofty share price of around the high $160s, $160 in mid-2021 to current price of $50.70. However, the IP in CRISPR has still continued to firm up, and I'm looking at 2 hemoglobinopathies and 1 immuno-oncology therapies reaching finishing line towards the end of 2023, unless something unexpected goes wrong, which I don't think will happen. The market has not yet reacted to this news update. I say that because all stocks jumped up today due to the CPI report, and then they came back down. The same has happened to CRISPR Therapeutics. It opened higher and glided down to close slightly below Monday's closing price. So that's the intrigue that I'm going to be pondering over. If any of you have any ideas, please put it in the description below. That's all for now, my friends. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye for now.